I'm standing on Trinity-East Island at the edge of the Gulf of Mexico. This is one of 3 islands restored by the Terrebonne Basin Barrier Island and Beach Nourishment Project. We recently wrapped up construction on this massive restoration project, which brought over 8 million cubic yards of sand from about 10 miles offshore. I'm April Newman, Project Manager for the Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority of Louisiana. And I'm happy to report that we have completed dredging for this project, which restores over 7 miles of Barrier Island shoreline. The project's goal was to repair some of the most vulnerable areas in the Terrebonne Basin on Trinity-East Island, Timbalier Island, and West Belle Headland, for a total cost of about $170 million. This directly restores over 7 miles of shoreline and over 1,000 acres of beach and dune, but it protects so much more than that. These barrier islands help shield all the wetlands behind them and the communities in Terrebonne and Lafourche parishes. It takes a lot of people to make a project like this happen, and I'm so proud of the work that we've done.